Welcome back. Today I will solve problem of exercise 5.3 in AP. Question number 16. A sum of 700 rupees to be used to give 7 each prize to students of a school for their overall academic performance. If each prize is 20 less than its preceding price, find the value of each prize. Now let us start. So solution sum of total price Sn is equal to 700 and divide into 7 part. So n is equal to 7 and also preceding each price 20. So D is equal to 20 rupees. So now let us formula Sn is equal to n by 2 in bracket 2a plus n minus 1 into D. Now put here 700 into 7 upon 2, 2a plus n 7 minus 1 into D per 20. So now 700 into 2 upon 7 is equal to 2 multiply by 700 divide by 7 is equal to 2a plus 6 into 20. Now 100 into 2, 200 is equal to 2a plus 120. So 2a is equal to 200 minus 120. 2a is equal to 80. So a is equal to 80 upon 2 is equal to 40. So a is equal to 40. And also general term of AP, general term of AP show a plus D, a plus 2D, a plus 3D, a plus 4D, a plus 5D, 2, 4, 6 and also a plus 6D. Now put here a is equal to 40 and also a plus D, 40 plus D for 20 and also 40 plus 2 into 20, 40 plus 3 into 20, 40 plus 4 into 20 and also 40 into 5 into 20 and also 40 plus 4 into 6 into 20. So now 40 into 60 40 plus 40 and 40 plus 60 and 40 plus 80 and 40 plus 100 and 40 plus 120. So 40, 60, 80 and 100 and 120 and 140 and 160. So this is answer of 7 price. Question number 70. Now look question number 70, your book, page number 113 in arithmetic progression. In a school, a student thought of planting tree in and around the school to reduce air pollution. It was decided that the number of trees that each section of each class will plant will be the same as the class in which they are staying. For example, a section of first class will be 1 trees. A section of class second will plant 2 trees. So on till class 12th. There are 3 sections of each class. How many trees will be planted by the student? So now let us start solution. So class first, class second and class third and class 12th. So now divide by 3 section. Divide by 3 section. Section A, section B and section C. Now planted first class 1 trees and 1 trees planted. And also second class will be planting section A, B, C and planted 2. And also class third divided by 3 section A, B, C and planted will be each section 3. And also planted divided by 3 section A, B, C and 12 and 12. So now first class will planting 3 and 1 plus 1 plus 1 and 2 plus 2 and also 3 plus 3 so on 12 plus 12. So now 3 and 6 into 9 into 36. So EP 3, 6, 9 36. Now find A is equal to 3 and AN is equal to 36 and N is equal to 12. So Sn is equal to N by 2 in bracket A plus AN last term. So now put here S12 is equal to 12 upon 2 into first 3 plus last 36. So 6 and 39. So 234 plant will be planting all class. So answer will be answer 234 trees. Question number 18. Look, question number 18. A spiral is made of the successive semicircle which centers alternately at A and B, starting with center A at A of radii 5 cm, 1.2 cm, 1.5 cm, 2.0 cm, so on. As shown in figure, what is the total length of such a spiral made of the 13 consecutive semicircle? Take pi is equal to 22/7. So now figure given that, so first A and B. Now start spiral so that this L1 and L2. Now radius R1 is equal to 0.5 centimeter and R2 is equal to 1.0 centimeter, R3 is equal to 1.5 centimeter and R4 is equal to 2.0 centimeter. So now find semicircle length of L1. So L1 is equal to pi R1. Circumference of circle 2 pi R. So C is equal to semicircle L1 is equal to 2/2 pi R1. So now put here pi into 0.5 is equal to 0.5 pi. So L1, and also L2 is equal to pi R2 is equal to pi into R2 means 1.0, so 1.0 pi L2, and also L3 is equal to pi R3. Now pi into R3 is equal to 1.5 is equal to 1.5 pi, and L4 is equal to pi R4. Now put here pi into 2.0, so 2.0 pi L4. So now put here L1, L2, L3 and L4 ... so on. So now put here 0.5 pi, 1.0 pi and 1.5 pi, 2.0 pi ... so on. So now let us first term find 0.5 pi, and D is equal to second term minus first term 1.0 pi minus 0.5 pi is equal to 0.5 pi. So D find out, and so now sum of Sn is equal to n/2 in bracket 2a plus n minus 1 into D. So yes, now n is equal to successive 13. So and Sn n is equal to 13. So 13/2 is equal to 2 into 0.5 pi plus 13 minus 1 into d for 0.5 0 d 0.5 pi. So 13 upon 2 1.0 pi plus 12 into 0.5 pi. So S13 is equal to 13 upon 2 and also 1.0 pi plus 6.0 pi. So 13 upon 2 into adding 7.0 pi is equal to 13 upon 2 into 7.0 pi 22 upon 7. So 1.0 to 11 is equal to 13 into 11 is equal to 11 3 and 11 and 143. So this answer of total length of spiral. Question number 19. Question number 19, look, 200 logs are stocked in the following manner: 20 logs in bottom row, 19 log in next row and 18 in row next to it and so on. In how many row are 200 logs is placed and how many logs are in the top row? So now let us start the question. Now series Sn is equal to 200 logs and series 2 20 19 18 dot dot 1. So first term of AP 20 and common difference second term minus first term, 19 minus 20 is equal to minus 1. So now Sn sum of n term is equal to n by 2 in bracket 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So now put here the value of a and d. So Sn is equal to, given that 200 is equal to n by 2 into 20 plus n minus 1 into minus 1. So 200 into 2 is equal to n. So 240 plus multiply by this, so minus n plus 1. So 400 is equal to 40 n minus n square plus n. So 41 n minus n square and 400 or minus n square plus 41 n minus 400 is equal to 0. Multiply by negative sign, so n square minus 41 n plus 400 is equal to 0. Now factorization of 400 is equal, divide by 200, 200 divide 250, divide to 25, divide 5, so 1 also. So multiply by 2 2 4 8 2 16 and 5 5 25, 25 plus 16 41. So now put here n square minus 41 n plus 400. So n square minus 25 n minus 16 n plus 400. So n common out, n minus 25 and minus 16 n minus 25. So n minus 25 and n minus 16 is equal to 0. So n minus 25 is equal to 0 and also n minus 16 is equal to 0. So n is equal to 16 and n is equal to 25. Now AP an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. So now n minus d or a 25. So a 25 is equal to a plus 24d. So now put here first term of AP 20 plus 24 into minus 1 is equal to 20 minus 24 is equal to minus 4. This is not possible. And also a 16 is equal to a plus 15d. So now put here a is equal to 20 plus 15 into minus 1. So 20 minus 15 is equal to 5. A 16. So this is answer. N is equal to 16 and 5 square is become the log of the row. And question number n is equal to 16. Question number 20. So now look, question number 20. In a potato race, a bucket is placed at the starting point, which is 5 from the first potato, and other potato are placed 3 apart in a straight line. There are 10 potato in the line. Computer start from the bucket, pick up nearest top and run back into with it, drop it in the bucket, run back to pick up the next potato, run to the bucket, the drop in it, and see continue in the same way until all potato are in the bucket. What is the total distance computer has to run? So now start. So this bucket start. So place this nearest 5 meter and 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 so 10. So 3 3 3 3 3 3 3 3 3. So first and so place 1 to return. So first term A1 5 plus 5. So second 5 plus 3 multiply by 2. So return 2 and into 5 plus 3 plus 3 into 2. So dot dot this. So 10, 8 into 2 into 11 into 2 dot dot so on. So 10, 16 and 22 dot dot so on. Now put here 5 go and come, 5 plus 5 10 and 5 plus 3 second place. So 5 plus 3 8, 8 can return back to 5 plus 3, 5 plus 3 is equal to 16. So dot dot first term AP 10, 10A is equal to 10 and D is equal to second term minus first term is equal to 6. So N is equal to 10. So now Sn is equal to N by 2, 2A plus N minus 1 into D. So now put here S10 is equal to 10 upon 2 and 2 10 plus N 10 minus 1 into 6. So 2 divide 10 5 and 20 plus 9 into 6 is equal to 5 into 20 plus 54 is equal to S10 is equal to 5 into 74 is equal to 5 4 20, 5 7 35 and 2 37. So S10, this is total distance covered completed by 370 meter. That's all.